and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now we'll start off at the front of the vehicle, we'll run you through the condition and also some of the features on the car as well. As you can see, you do have the newer style front that Mitsubishi likes to call the dynamic shield. So you can see it really stands out with those chrome garnishes on either sides and the newer style middle part of it as well. And you have that iconic Mitsubishi badging actually coming out of the actual body itself as well. Now you do have fog lights that are fitted down the bottom, and you do have these really nice headlights with the projector bulb, and you also got the daytime running lights built in the actual headlight themselves as well. So really nice style front that Mitsubishi's designed there as well. Now the front of the car, condition wise, it does present really well. There are no major stone chips or anything that I can see that are worth pointing out. So really good job by the previous owner by maintaining that front of the car. Looking at our first alloy wheel, as you can see, the two-tone wheel with the grey and the chrome finish. As you can see, not a single mark on it, probably because the tyre actually comes out further than the wheel itself does. And the tyres themselves do have plenty of tread left on them as well. You do have the colour-coded exterior mirrors and door handles. The mirrors actually have the indicator integrated into the mirror itself. Most manufacturers do this these days just to clean up these side panels. Do also have the black and the grey strip down the bottom, the side skirt. It just gives that little touch and makes the car look a bit more stylish and classy as well. Taking a look inside the car itself, as you can see, seats are in really good condition, no major wear on the seats themselves. Carpet's in good condition, and down here where you get a lot of markings from people getting in and out of the car, it's actually quite unmarked as well, which is really good job by the previous owner. It doesn't look like the windows are tinted, I don't think. I'll confirm that once we actually get in the car. We'll confirm that once we get in the car, as I said. Working our way down the paintwork, as you can see, all in good condition as well. Doesn't need a little bit of a clean, but other than that, it does present really well. Second alloy wheel, again, unmarked of course again because of the really good tyres, and the tyres themselves still have a good amount of tread left on those rear tyres as well. We'll come to the back of the vehicle now, where you will see you do have your colour-coded reverse parking sensors. You also do get a reverse camera that is just fitted on there. Now people always ask, why does Mitsubishi put the badge on the left side, not in the middle like most manufacturers do? The reason for that is because in Australia we parallel park on the left-hand side of the car, on the left-hand side of the road, so they've put it on the left-hand side to give you better vision. You also do get the high mount stoplight, and you get a rear windscreen wiper as well, which is always handy. Taking a look inside the car now, as you can see, it is the 7-seater. Now, with the good thing with the seats are, as you can see, once one's folded down, you can have one up and one down, or both of them up at the same time. And the two middle row seats, as you can see as well, fold back and forwards. You do actually have the cargo blind fitted under here, and there is a full-size spare alloy wheel underneath as well. Moving our way down the passenger side, fuel door is on the passenger side. I can actually note that this is a brand new tyre on this side, so for any reason they had to change it, this one is brand new, and that wheel is in really good condition as well, of course. Keep working our way down the side of the vehicle. Nothing to point out on this side that would stop you from buying this car. And then getting to this fourth and final wheel now, again, another unmarked alloy wheel with a good tyre. So as you can see guys, with the exterior condition of the vehicle, previous owner's done a great job of maintaining it. Alright guys, so taking a look underneath the bonnet now, I was going to say under the engine, sorry. What we have here is a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 124 kilowatts and also 220 newton meters of torque. You do get a 6-speed CVT transmission in the vehicle as well, a 60 litre capacity tank that you can run on 91 or above. The real attractive thing about this engine is actually the fuel economy though. 7.2 litres to the 100 Ks combined. So out of an average fuel tank, you're going to get around 833 kilometres. Obviously that's going to vary by the way you drive. Let's now take a look inside the Outlander. We'll start you off on the driver's side door, where you do have all your power window controls. Driver's window is automatic, and that is up and down. Do have all your central locking here as well, and then you also have the button just above, just next to the central locking, just to lock all the windows as well. So if anyone gets a bit annoying, you can actually lock them out. Do have all your mirror controls as well. There is actually a button to fold in the mirrors, so if you are parking on the side of the road or in a tight spot, you can actually fold them in. And also when you lock the car as well, they always fold in as well. Now just behind the steering wheel, you do have your parking sensors. You can turn them off and on, so your reverse parking sensors. So if they are driving you crazy, you can actually turn them off. You have a little button here just to flick through the main screen to show you a couple of different things. Your traction control button, and then your button to adjust the height of the headlights. On the right hand stalk is where you have your indicators, your headlights and also your fog lights. And the left hand stalk is where you have your front and rear windscreen wipers. On the steering wheel itself, as you can see, nice leather wrap steering wheel. On the right hand side is where you have your cruise control settings, left hand side is your media controls, and then your Bluetooth controls down the bottom. Now moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, do have the nice touchscreen display. Does have AM FM radio, digital radio as well. Do have the USB connectivity. There is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Do also have the nice reverse camera with the indication lines, as I said again, on the left hand side, so you can see better on the left hand side because I can clearly just look at my mirror or my window on the right hand side of me and get better vision from there. Down below is we have all your climate control settings. Now it is actually dual zone climate control, so as you can see, you can have different temperatures for the driver and the passenger, and it actually comes up in the screen here as well to let you know what's actually going on. Down below is we have your 12-volt socket. There is two cup holders that actually fold away nice and neatly. You do have your automatic gearbox. As I said, it is a 6-speed CVT. Now you can just put in drive and off you go. You do have your forward drive button here as well. So usually the car runs in forward drive eco, which you can see in here, so that means it won't actually use forward drive until it needs, but you can actually put into forward drive lock. Down below, next to that you have your electric handbrake. So as you can see now, it is activated because the light is orange. Pushing that down will turn it off, and then pulling it back up will turn it back on. You do have the auto hold button as well, so you can actually have that on to hold the handbrake every time you come to a complete stop. And then inside the leather wrapped armrest, or the vinyl wrapped armrest, there's a good amount of storage. You do have two USBs, and you actually have your 12-volt socket as well. What I'll do now is I'll just get the camera person and pan around the interior, show you the condition of the vehicle. This car sitting on 42,000 kilometers. The inside does still present really well. What we'll do now, guys, is we'll jump outside the car and we'll wrap up the video. Better? Hopefully that's given you a really good representation, guys, of the condition and also the features on the vehicle as well. Now this car will qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan. That is going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electric protection, unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim, and also give you 10 years of premium roadside assist. The other thing I'd like to talk to you about is the window tint and the glass coat package. So this car does not have tint on the windows, so I would highly recommend you do talk to us and take advantage of the package. You'll get premium window tint with the lifetime warranty, and you're also going to get the lifetime warranty on the paintwork with the glass coat as well. Now of course both these are an additional cost, but if you are using our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, business managers, would be more than welcome to talk to you and tailor a package together with the glass coat and the tint and the premium mechanical protection plan, and show you how minimal it'll actually affect the payment. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google, with over 1,000 reviews from Australia-wide customers, hopefully that gives you the peace of mind and the assurity that you're buying a fantastic vehicle, not only from the right dealership, but you're also dealing with the right quality of people as well. Again, number to call is 99070555. My name's Jamie, and thank you for watching.